Okay, people ask me all the time, well, TJ, why do I need a video clone? Isn't text better? It's more factual, examine it and vet it properly. Or why not audio? The voice is more powerful, it gets in your head, and voices are more powerful. Okay, look, I like text. I love reading books. I've written half a dozen books. I like audio. Talk radio was my first passion. I've been a talk radio host. I like audiobooks, but nothing is more powerful than seeing video. Ask yourself this: how many famous people do you know who are famous just because they are talk radio hosts? There are some in the United States. There's Howard Stern. But now ask yourself how many movie stars you can think of. Probably a lot. There's a lot more money that's made by movie stars than radio stars or even podcast stars, although there are plenty of podcasters who make a lot of money. Think of the most important conversations you've ever had in your life. Being hired for a job, a marriage proposal. Did you do it over the phone? Chances are no. You did it seeing the person. These days, if you're hired for a job, it might be virtually, but they probably did it through a video, a Zoom or Microsoft Teams meeting where they could see you. There's something about the power of vision, of sight, where people can see your facial expressions, your body movement, even what you're wearing. Am I saying that that's always fair? There can't be discrimination? No, I'm not saying that, but I am saying that every single medium has certain power. Text has power. Audio has power. Video has power. And when you put them all together, which is what you can do with a video clone, that is the most powerful of all. Now, here's what's really going on and why I'm such a huge fan of video. It's because so many people are insecure about how they look. They think, oh, I need to lose weight before people can see me on video. I need to grow more hair or get rid of wrinkles or get rid of a double chin. Everyone has some level of vanity. I do. You do too. But realize that no one else really cares. You're taking this course not because of how I look. You're taking this course because you're hoping there's value to you for your business, for your career. You don't care what I look like as long as I deliver value to you. Well, guess what? Anyone accessing your clone doesn't really care about what you look like or even what you sound like, as long as you have ideas that can benefit them in some way, educate them, give them value to their career, their profession, their life, or even entertain them. That's what they're looking for. So I'm urging you, do not fall into the trap of saying, well, I'm not a public speaker, or I'm not some big media hog. I don't have to have my face on video. I'll just play it safe by uploading text content to my clone, or maybe I'll give my voice. No, let people access your expertise the way they want to, not the way you want to. Give them choices. That means text, that means audio, and yes, it does mean video.